Okay, Charja. So this time I'm going to continue with the verb, but this time we're going to do it in the future tense. An Aimsir Fháistineach. Okay, so we're going to look at these verbs. We're going to look at first conjugation, broad and slender verbs, and we're going to look at second conjugation, broad and slender verbs. So, always, no matter what tense you're in, always go to the order form to start off where you're going. So, tog. So, what we do is then we put this ending on F-A-I-D-H. That's a broad one, so you can see your broad endings there. Tógtha. Now, it's worth pointing out, G's and C's are often interchangeable in Irish, so that in terms of sound. So tógimad, tógima, tógitu, tógishe, tógishi, tógimudge, tógishiv, tógishiad. So tógima, I will lift, tógitu, you will lift, tógishe, he will lift, tógishi, she will lift, tógimudge, we will lift, tógishiv, you will lift, tógishiad, they will lift. Also worth noting, in standard Irish, for we will lift, tógamudge. So, this brings us on to brush. Brushama, brushitu, brushisha, brushishi, brushamudge, brushishiv, brushishiad. In the Cajun of the standard Irish, brushamudge, brushamudge. Kiani, kinohima, kinohima, kinohitu, kinohishe, kinohishi, kinohimudge, kinohishiv, kinohishiad, kinohamudge, ensign Cajun. The Cajun of the standard Irish. Crenyi, crenyohama, crenyohitu, crenyohishe, crenyohishi, crenyohimudge, crenyohishiv, crenyohishiad, crenyohamudge in the Cajun of the standard, official standard of Irish. So let's look at the question and how to answer it. So how do we ask questions in this? Let's just look at it. And doki too. So what happens is we get an eclipse here, an uru. And doki too. Will you lift? Toki, yes. Ni hoki, no. Similarly, we eclipse and mrishi too. Will you break? Brishi, ni vrishi. And ganahi too. Will you buy? Eclipse again with the G. Kinahi, yes. Ni hianahi, no. And grinyahi too. Will you gather? Crinyahi, ni hrinyahi.